18B Mortars Practice Exam. Question 1. What are the two primary modes of operation for the M2 24-60mm mortar? A. Direct and indirect. B. Handheld and conventional. C. Mounted and dismounted. Or D. Static and mobile. The correct answer is B. Handheld and conventional. The 60mm can be used in conventional, with bipod, or handheld, with small baseplate, modes. Question 2. What is the maximum range of the M2 24-60mm mortar in conventional mode? A. 1340 m, B. 3490 m, C. 5608 m, or D. 7200 m. The correct answer is B. 3490 m. In conventional mode, the 60mm reaches 3,490 meters. Question 3. What is the maximum range of the M2 24-60mm mortar in handheld mode? A. 500 m, B. 1340 m, C. 2000 m, or D. 3490 m. The correct answer is B. 1340 m. Handheld mode is limited to 1,340 meters. Question 4. Which baseplate is used for the M2 24-60mm mortar in handheld mode? A. M7, B. M8, C. M3, or D. M1. The correct answer is B. M8. The M8 baseplate is the small, rectangular plate used for handheld firing. Question 5. What is the maximum charge allowed for firing in handheld mode? A. Charge 1, B. Charge 2, C. Charge 3, or D. Charge 4. The correct answer is A. Charge 1. Firing above charge 1 in handheld mode can cause injury to the operator due to recoil. Question 6. How many mils of traverse can be achieved with the M170A1, 60mm, bipod? A. 100 mils, B. 200 mils, C. 250 mils, or D. 500 mils. The correct answer is C. 250 mils. The 60mm bipod allows for 250 mils of traverse, 125 left/125 right. Question 7. What is the nomenclature of the 60mm mortar cannon? A. M225, B. M253, C. M291, or D. M120. The correct answer is A. M225. M225, or M225A1, is the 60mm cannon. Question 8. When bore sighting a 60mm mortar, what elevation and deflection are used? A. Aleph 0800, def 0000, B. Aleph 0800, def 3200, C. Aleph 1100, def 3200, or D. Aleph 1511, def 0000. The correct answer is B. Aleph 0800, def 3200. Unlike the 81mm, the 60mm uses 3200 as its bore sight deflection. Question 9. What is the sustained rate of fire for the 60mm mortar? A. 10 rounds per minute, B. 20 rounds per minute, C. 30 rounds per minute, or D. Indefinite. The correct answer is B. 20 rounds per minute. The sustained rate for the M224 is 20 rounds per minute. Question 10. What type of round is indicated by a white color with black markings? A. He, B. Illumination, C. WP, or D. Practice. The correct answer is B. Illumination. White rounds are used for battlefield illumination. Question 11. What does FDC stand for in a mortar platoon? A. Fire Defense Command, B. Fire Direction Center, C. Forward Deployment Cell, or D. Field Data Controller. The correct answer is B. Fire Direction Center. The Fire Direction Center calculates the firing data for the guns. Question 12. When firing direct lay, who is responsible for aiming the mortar at the target? A. The forward observer, B. The FDC, C. The gunner, using the sight, or D, the squad leader? The correct answer is C, the gunner, using the sight. In direct lay, the gunner uses the sight to aim directly at a visible target. Question 13. What is the purpose of the M115 bore sight? A. To clean the barrel. B. To verify the alignment of the sights with the barrel. C. To measure the range. Or D. To check the ammo temperature. The correct answer is B. To verify the alignment of the sights with the barrel. Bore sighting ensures that the optic is accurately synchronized with the weapon's bore. Question 14. Which fuse setting is used for targets under heavy cover or in bunkers? A. Proximity. B. Near surface. C. Impact. Or D. Delay. The correct answer is D. Delay. Delay allows the round to penetrate the cover before exploding. Question 15. In mortar operations, what is a mil? A. 1/1000th of a meter. B. A unit of angular measurement, 1/6400 of a circle. C. A type of ammunition. Or D. The distance to the horizon. The correct answer is B. A unit of angular measurement, 1/6400 of a circle. The military uses mils for precise angular measurement and adjustment. Question 16. How often should a mortar's aiming circle be declinated? A. Every day. B. Every 30 days or after moving 25 miles. C. Every 100 rounds. Or D. Once a year. The correct answer is B. Every 30 days or after moving 25 miles. Declination corrects for local magnetic variations and should be done regularly. Question 17. What is the angle of sight used for? A. Measuring the shooter's height. B. Correcting for the vertical difference in elevation between the mortar and the target. C. Finding the North Star. Or D. Determining wind speed. The correct answer is B. Correcting for the vertical difference in elevation between the mortar and the target. Angle of sight accounts for targets being higher or lower than the gun position. Question 18. What is mask clearance? A. Ensuring the round won't hit trees or hills in front of the mortar. B. Checking if gas masks are needed. C. Cleaning the optics. Or D. The height of the crew's heads. The correct answer is A. Ensuring the round won't hit trees or hills in front of the mortar. Gunners must ensure the trajectory of the round will clear any physical obstacles, mask, in the foreground. Question 19. Which ammunition is olive drab with a yellow band? A. Illum. B. Smoke. C. High explosive, He. Or D. Practice. The correct answer is C. High explosive, He. Standard color coding for high explosive mortar ammunition. Question 20. What is alignment in the context of firing without an FDC? A. Putting the mortars in a straight line. B. The method of pointing the mortar toward the target using the barrel or a compass. C. Leveling the sight. Or D. Packing the ammunition. The correct answer is B. The method of pointing the mortar toward the target using the barrel or a compass. Alignment methods allow crews to engage targets when formal fire control is unavailable.